if you choose to participate in this study, your treatment for the cancer with regular chemotherapy does not really change from what any person that is in a similar situation would typically get. Your medical oncologist will continue to be your primary caregiver as far as your cancer treatment is concerned. He or she will still give you your standard chemotherapy and manage that treatment in their office. So you will only come here for the part that involves the study-related intervention with the beads.